Your chicken were laying well, and suddenly egg production dropped. You start to panic. In this video, I'll explain why your chicken stop laying egg and exactly how to fix it. My name is Emilia. I learned poultry farming in Africa, Namibia, and today I will help you understand why the most common causes of egg production drop. So the first reason is poor feed. The feed is the most reason why the most common of egg production. The first one is poor feed. Layer need proper layer feed, enough protein, enough calcium. If you change your feed suddenly, or maybe use the broiler feed, or maybe your feed is too little for the chicken, or use poor quality feed, this will cause your egg production to drop. How do you fix it? Use the proper layer mash and maintain the consistent feeding. The next reason is water. No water, no egg. If your water ran out, if your chicken did not receive getting enough water, or maybe the water is too dirty, or is too hot, or maybe the water is frozen, maybe the weather is cold. So this can cause your egg to drop immediately. How to fix it? Make sure your water is clean and is cool always, and there is always cool water available. The next reason is light. Layer need 14 to 16 hours of light per day. If the day becomes short, or light schedule changes, or bulb stop working, or maybe you didn't replace your bulb and this light is not enough, can also cause your egg production to decrease. How to fix it? Add a consistent artificial light when it's needed. The next reason is stress. Chicken are sensitive to stress. Stress can come from overcrowding, if you overcrowd your chicken, or the heat, the predator, loud noise, or maybe suddenly change. This can cause your chicken to be stressed and cause the egg drop. How to improve it? Improve the ventilation. Make sure there's enough space enough air coming in, and also keep the environment calm for your chicken. The fifth reason can be diseases. If egg production drops suddenly and birds look weak, diseases might be the causes. So, look for diarrhea, cough, maybe swollen eyes. Check all those things if there's any sign like this. And if you see it, isolate the sick bird. Consult the vet and maintain the schedule for vaccination. This is very important. Maintain the vaccination. Maintain it. Make sure they are vaccinated. The reason number 6 is the age. Your bird may lay fewer eggs. After 60 to 72 days, production naturally decline. How do you fix it? If you see maybe your chicken are getting old, plan to replace them and get another frog. So there are reasons that you need to do when you see your egg production. If you see your egg production drop, so there are few reasons that you need to take immediately. If you make sure you take a track of your egg production. Take a record. And if you see the egg drop 2 to 3%, that's a normal variation. If your egg production drop to 10% or more, investigate immediately. And make sure you take a record to help you respond early, because your record will help you. And if you don't, it will be very difficult to see, because you're supposed to take, as a farmer, you're supposed to take a record for your egg production, so you will keep track on it. So my final advice for you farmers, my fellow farmers, when your egg production drop, do not panic. Check your feed, check your water, check the light, check the height of your bed and the edge. Fix the basic first before making a big changes. Don't panic. Just check all those things, your water and everything, your water, your lighting, and all these are, and before you make a big change. So, and make sure you take record. Record is very important. So, if this video help you, like it, subscribe for my practical layer